Today we done a half cut crease, a cat eye, and it turned out beautiful. I used browns and oranges. So if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep watching. Hey everybody, for those that are new, I am Mandy and welcome to the video. How are my glow tarts doing today? I wanted to do a look. I was going to do the look that I showed in my video the other day, but I went ahead and I done this one first because I wanted to play around with the browns and oranges. I know I usually only do that for fall, but I really love the way it turned out. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, are y'all ready for this makeup look? Just grab your browns, your oranges, your golds, and your coppers, because that's going in this look. Now I wanted to use a yellow base because I am using golds, and that tends to intense the gold effect on your eyes. So I just went ahead and put a yellow concealer, whatever you got, just lay it down. And then of course you know to powder that just so the eyeshadows go on a lot smoother. Now this, you can't really see it that good, but it is like a bone ivory shade that I'm going to use to highlight our brow bone. And this is an orangey, well, it's kind of a brown, but it does have that orange undertone, and that's what we're going to use for our transition. And next, this is one of the oranges colors that I got, and I wanted to lay that on top of that transition color. So I didn't want to leave a lot of room for that transition to show. So I kind of mixed them together. Okay, next, now this is it's a brown shade. It's a little bit darker than that orange, and it also has that orange undertone. I just love these colors. I think they look really good on brown eyes. And we're going to focus that on the outer V. And this is definitely getting focused on the outer V. This is a really dark brown, and I didn't see any of the orange undertone in it, but I just grab the darkest brown that you got and lay on that outer V right there. Oranges and browns, I love them when they're together. They flow so beautiful. They look awesome together. And of course, I'm cutting half of my lid out. We're not going to go, well, no, let's take it full. We're going to do full cut crease, but we are going to take that brown and lay on that outer V after we get done doing this. So go ahead and cut your lid out. Again, I use that yellow undertone concealer. So whatever, it don't matter if it is stark white, it does not matter. Just use a concealer to cut your lid out. And we're going to pull that out a little bit. And here I am laying, now this is one of the goldest shades that I got. It's so gold, it's almost white. I'm going to lay this on the inner corner. So this is going to be, there's going to be 3 different shades on our lids today. And this is more of a copper gold, and I didn't like the way that it was laying down with the brush. And this is a very intense eyeshadow that I have. I don't know why it wouldn't go on good, so I ended up just using my finger to lay that color down. And then I ended up using my finger to lay the gold on the inner corner down just a little bit more so it will match the intenseness. And of course you blend those 2 colors together to give it that seamless look. And here is where we're going to lay our dark brown shade again on top of where we cut our crease on the outer V. And that is focused only on the outer V. We're not going to pull that in all the way. Now, when all your color is off your brush, it is fine for you to go ahead and sweep it all the way across because hardly none of it's going to get over there. And of course, this is where we take our tape off, and usually I have to clean up just a little bit of fallout. So that is what I'm doing here. And then we're going to take that dark brown shade, and you're going to take your smallest brush, and I just kind of stamp this color along the lower lash line. And then you're going to take a little bit bigger brush, and this is where we take, this is the brown shade that we used for our crease. This is what we're going to use just to kind of buff that out. And of course, for the inner eye, I used one of the whitest, well, it's got a gold tint to it, but it is such a beautiful, intense shimmer shade that I used for my inner lid, or my inner teardrop part, I'm sorry. And of course, you are going to tightline. I just used a black eyeliner pencil. And we're going to curl our lashes, and then of course you do your mascara, and then you can add some falsies or whatever you want to do with this look, and you could tweak this look the way you want to. I just love the way the oranges and the browns look on brown eyes. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the look. And again, I try to do looks that beginners can pick up, no problems, no questions asked. Absolutely love when y'all do try out these looks. And if you do, let me know down in the comments section, guys. I love hearing about it. Now, the next video is going to be a really exciting video, and I'm going to try to put it out today. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. I love you, and I will see you next video. Bye.